Now here's something interesting to have a look at. I've taken the word bit, just because it's a random word I chose, and I'm going to show you how I would take the word bit and produce it in a different typefaces which might be appropriate, whether it was on some traditional business card, whether it was on a kid's, whether it was a character in a child's book. So I'm going to start off with modern, and this style is what we refer to as being sans serif. That's sans as in French without, serif. And if you remember, the serif, there we go, and now I'm going to do traditional. The serif is the bit that I'm doing right now, which is that sort of tail. That little tail that you get at the end of the letter in the more traditional looking letters. Now I am deliberately working slightly faster than I maybe normally would, but that's okay because the focus here is on producing something which is just an idea. Well, to be honest, I'm literally just playing. In fact, I think I've just made a mistake. I think that I'm going to circle it. Do you see that serif I just did over there? I think that actually doesn't work that well. However, the serif over there, happy days. Now, sporty. I'm going to add. Now, what I want to do here is, I think what I'm going to do is actually change the letters slightly. So here is my so this is when I like to use pencil, and in this case, yeah, why not? Let's see how this works. And again, I'm not going to say this is perfect. It could be that it doesn't work that well, but why not? Let's try. What I've done here is I have deliberately extended the T to make it into an arrow, which gives a feeling of speed. It works okay. I think that could have got rid of, I think I would get rid of that afterwards. But that's quite fun, I rather like that. And now we've got the B, I, and let's think, I think I'll do it this way. And there we've got the kiddies version, and I'll add a couple of little reflections to make it look like it's round. And then we've got the romantic version, which I would use my brush pen for, which you could say is cheating, but I think it works nicely. I don't like that B that much, but that's okay. I can do another one later. Yeah, I think that B isn't that nice. I would probably practice doing a couple more loopy ones like this. Maybe something like that. But remember what I've said throughout this whole thing. It's not about perfection, it's about playing around and developing those skills of your fingers, the skills in your mind, your creativity, and giving it a go. And if it works, great. If it doesn't work, who cares? I mean, ultimately, it's just a piece of paper, and you can do it again if you need to. So try your own.